Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you looking to give your Shopify store a fresh look by changing its background color? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to update your online store's background color using Shopify's built-in tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and change the background color in your theme settings, understand why some areas might not change, and be ready to create a more personalized storefront for your customers. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for Online Store and give it a click. This is the place where all your website's design magic happens. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll down a little. It's usually towards the bottom of your main menu. Once you're inside Online Store, you'll find a variety of sub-options like themes, blog posts, and more. For today's task, click on Customize under Themes. This will open up the theme editor, not just the control center for your site's layout and content, but also where you can tweak visual settings like colors and fonts. It might take a second or two to load all your site data, so don't worry if you see a loading screen briefly. Now that you're inside the theme editor, look for Theme Settings. This section is typically located towards the bottom of the sidebar. Theme Settings is a crucial area because it contains global controls for your site, things like colors, typography, and even button shapes. Think of it as the room with your store's paint cans and brushes. Here's where you change the overall vibe of your site. Next, you'll need to select the theme you want to edit. If you only have one published theme, you'll already be working in it. But if you have multiple themes, maybe you're experimenting or planning a future update, make sure you're customizing the correct one. A quick double check here can save you from accidentally editing the wrong store design. Inside your theme settings for the chosen theme, look for the background option. This is where Shopify lets you select a color that will appear in the background of your store. Simply click on the color swatch or color picker and explore the colors available. You might see a default white, gray, or something else depending on your theme. Pick whatever matches your brand or personal style best, maybe a calming blue, a vibrant yellow, or classic black. Now, here's something super important to understand. When you change this background color, oftentimes you'll notice that only the footer area of your site is changing, and not the whole page background as you might expect. Don't worry if this happens. All it means is that most sections in modern Shopify themes use their own background images or colors. It's as if each section gets its own wallpaper, which can sometimes override the global background setting. If you want to dive deeper and fully control the look of all your sections, like adding colors to product areas, banners, or announcement bars, you'd need to use custom CSS. That involves a bit more technical tweaking, so I recommend sticking with theme settings if you're just starting out. But don't worry, if you're interested in taking your customization further, stay tuned, because I'll cover custom CSS in another tutorial soon, and that's all there is to it. Changing your Shopify store's background color is a great way to refresh your site and make it more inviting for visitors, even if the change is subtle or only affects certain areas for now. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I love helping out and hearing about your progress. And if you want more practical Shopify tips, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.